So as you can see, we've already gotten started here, but today we are going to attempt, to install some yellow DRLs. So I got some Amazon/eBay DRL modules here. I don't even know where they're from anymore. I tried ordering them already yellow with it, so I didn't have to go through this process, and kept getting white ones, as you can see. And I'd message the seller and I'd be like, hey, yo, you sent me the wrong parts, and I'd be like, oh, we're sorry, here's your money back. So yeah, happened twice. First time I just bought modules because I found them cheap on Amazon, whatever. I knew they were white, but I wanted it for this reason. Then I did some digging on eBay. It said that they came yellow, so I tried, and again, happened twice. So whatever. The second time I just gave up, and then I didn't feel like paying $300 for some DRL boards from some of the better well-known websites. So I went on Aliexpress. They look, from the videos I watched, they come in the same little case. So I'm pretty sure they're the exact same. But you know, who knows. But yeah. So these, you can tell, are clearly, there we go, yellow. And there's two sets, don't worry. So yeah. Ooh, Mustang running, or he's an idiot because his lights are off. Wait and see if there's a cop that pulls up. Anyways, you can see I already cleaned all the paste off this one. I'm going to find some isopropyl alcohol here in a second and give it a quick wipe down, make sure it's all off and clean. But to get them off, you can see there, on each board there's going to be a little imprint. I just found the skinniest flathead I have, which happens to be this guy. Kind of start wedging it in there, and then with the hammer I'll just beat it in until it came off. Just kind of wedged it in like chisel almost. But yeah, it's really all it takes. Hopefully that doesn't cause any issues. See this one, some of them I angled it a little too much, and another's not quite as much. So this one's pretty unscathed for the most part. But yeah, my only tip, don't angle it in too much because you're gonna dig into the metal. But it's fine. Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna keep, and then I've just been using another skinnier flathead to scrape off all the old thermal paste residue crap. And then in this, where is it? In the box, they do provide you with some heat sink plaster, so I didn't have to go buy some. So yeah, find out how that goes. I got my clamps there. Let it sit overnight. Hopefully I get to finish it today if I can find the alcohol. And tomorrow, Tuesday, probably Tuesday, we'll finish installing. But yeah, we're gonna keep cleaning, and then we'll be back whenever I attempt to get those boards on. If you're worried too, I don't have them on here anymore. If you're worried about forgetting which direction these go in, these always point to the outside. They always go like that, so you don't really have to worry about that. But a worst case scenario, take a picture. Yeah, this one goes to the other one. So on these, quick little note, this has these little wedges that are supposed to line up. So this is the wrong way, so no judging for a second here. But yeah, they line up with those. Is this the right one? This is the right one. Ugh. So life's so hard. Anyway, so yeah, you can see there, it's kind of where it's at. Lines up perfectly with those little guys. But on these new ones, I noticed, so I'll just get what I do with the other set. Whatever. Oh, they're right there. There's four. It has those wedges on both sides. So for a second I panicked, but then I realized again, so this side always points out. So this one is going to be for the other side, and obviously not this one, because it would sit backwards. But yeah, nice and simple. So like this and that. Yeah. Wait, what? I don't know. I'll figure it out. Anyways, see you guys whenever the next step is. So, got the boards on there, both of them. So one thing I did notice, since those are damaged, I don't really care what happens to them. See if I can. I don't know, right there. It's really hard to see, but so on these, they have the notches. It says left, right. See right there, it says left. And then on this one, it's upside down again. Let's see if we can get it. Oh man, I did have it the right way. Yeah, you can see right there, they are marked left and right. The reason these have two notches is because they're not marked left and right. Don't know if it matters, but me, being the weirdo I am, I made sure that those are about the same place as the boards would have been. So this is, yep, this is left, so this would have gone here. So I kind of did one of these suckers. It's hard to do with one hand, but yeah, I'm like, oh, you know, that looks similar in about the same position as this one, so I'm gonna trust it. But yeah, I put a little bit of the included paste on there. You can see there's a little bit more on others and some than others. And then I did use those clamps just a little bit just to make sure that they were on there tightly. But yeah, this one didn't really have any, a little goop there. And this one had a little bit more come out there. But yeah, so we're gonna let these dry overnight. I think realistically it probably only takes a few hours, but it is 10:20. I just got home from landscaping, which is one of my jobs, about 2 hours ago now, hour and a half. So yeah, I just want to get this done. So I'm gonna let it dry overnight. Hopefully I can get to it tomorrow, but we'll see. We'll see what time I get home and all that good shenanigans, and then we'll test it out. I'm gonna clean up and then see you guys on the following day or whenever I install these. Alright, so gonna go ahead and do this. So this is the new guy, yellow. As you can see, the glue's already dried up and everything. We're good to go. And then for comparison's sake, here's the OEM guy. This has a bunch of stuff there. The boards are also labeled left, and all that good stuff. They also have the single notches up top. So those eBay replacement guys are probably pretty decent for eBay replacements. Yeah, weight-wise, they feel about the same. Oof. But yeah, just gonna take these 3 screws out right there. So on the left one, 3 screws, T20s. Take those out. And then these, that there. To remove these latches, you just gotta push down on this little guy and it releases it and pull. Again, push down, release and pull. We're just gonna do the same thing. Plug them back in, and we should be good. Well, there she blow. Those look pretty good. White, yellow. Take a picture here in a second, but yeah, I'll be pretty happy with these in the meantime. Eventually I'll do the RGB guys, and we'll see how I like those. But for now, this is a good happy medium. Anyways, here is the final product. It's a little bright outside, so I'll take another one at night. I'll just upload some pictures. Oh, there we go. Whatever reason, it's just not. Yeah. Anyways, there it is. Happy medium for now. Another difference between these and obviously the OEM doesn't have any of the numbers or anything, but OEMs also have these locking little tabs at the edge. And they kind of go into here. And then same thing on this side. I think this one might be broken. Yeah, this one looks broken, so that's interesting. But yeah, so I'm happy with them for now. Eventually we'll do the RGB guys, but it's good for now. We're good. We're good. Take a nighttime picture and upload it here too. It's actually dark, but yeah, it's real easy. T20 screwdriver, flathead. That's about it. Maybe the easiest little project. Probably took me a collective 30 minutes between cleaning all the residue off and everything. But yeah, Aliexpress for the win. I think I'm in this for about $100, give or take, between the wrong DRL board sent to me and the refund. I do have another set right there, actually. Yeah, right there is one. There's the other one. So if anyone's interested, give me $25 plus shipping, and they're yours. Or we can just call it a day at $35, include shipping. But yeah, see you guys in the next one, I guess.